Yo, can you hear me now? There we go. Now we should have some sound. You guys should be able to hear me. Just let me know if you can hear me now. That's it. Trend line's gone. Unless it's more like this. Hmm. Yeah, you can hear me? See an ear. There we go. All right. So yeah, I am on the paper trade account today. The other account still hasn't got the funds ready. The new account, so hopefully it'll be ready tomorrow. Actually looking pretty good. A lot of selling at 165 on TNXP, but I got in on TNXP right back here at 152 on this second candle for this break of 150. And if you look at this yearly chart, there's absolutely no resistance until 538. And then there's a gap to fill. So this chart is crazy. There's only natural resistance on this stock right now. But yeah, this is the paper trade account, so this is not real money. You're in it too? Nice. Yeah, I saw these two volume spikes coming in, and we've been seeing stocks rip the first 5 minutes, and then that's it. So I got in this looking for a bigger run. Didn't quite get up to where I was expecting, but still slowly climbing, and it's still above the VWAP. So just holding it for now. Now because I'm uh, on the paper account today, I've got an appointment that I have to leave for at 9, so I'm gonna have to be done by 9 o'clock. If you guys would like, I can leave the stream up. It'll just be my platform screen. If you guys want to talk about things, or if you guys want. If not, I'll shut it down, but just giving you guys the option. So we get a couple of yes or sure or whatever. Just give me a little answer real quick. Ooh, all the way back down to the VWAP. See if the VWAP holds up. $1.50 is going to be pretty strong support because it was pretty strong resistance. So took a small loss. Where'd you get in at? Must have got in a little higher than I did. Now, this is that kind of reverse U-shaped reverse fishing rod. So it could crack out here. Um, like I said, I'm expecting a little more out of this than 172 as a high. So I'm just gonna hold it as long as it stays above the VWAP and doesn't hit my stop loss. But it might. I actually have my stop loss at 144, right under 145, because 145 was a little bit of support. So ooh, a lot of red there. That was a lot of red. It may not get it. See CEI, big crack off. PT slowly coming around. TRNX very ugly, and we'll take it off. AKTS still going. Oh, $1.62. Yeah. So that's what I was worried about. That's why I try to get it in as early as possible. As soon as I started seeing this move, because we've been getting those movers, I figured I'd just jump in it just to see. But yeah, you guys let me know about the stream if you want me to keep it up while I'm gone or not. I got about 15 more minutes here. AXDS. Another little pop. PT coming up here. Break a 130 could get a move. Not a lot of volume yet though. Or share repurchase program, those are always good. And then they've got unaudited financial results. So you can see kind of the same thing that we've been having all week. An initial run up and then starting to go sideways. So I will say this. At least the market has been somewhat consistent. The same predictability. Like all week it's been early quick rips and then sideways movements until later in the day when they have an actual good breakout. So at least we have that. I can work with that instead of the market changing every single day. AMRX is down. Yeah, this looks like what TNXP is going to do. It's just going to go sideways. Unless it cracks out here soon. But it looks like it's just traveling sideways. Because there is a lot of buying support in 155 area. And if that cracks out, there's going to be a lot at the 150 area. So it should be pretty good support to keep it doing what it's doing. AKTS looks definitely like one of those fishing rods, but it's right at this 200-day moving average, so it's going to struggle with it for a minute. Line. Got some selling at 158, but looks like it's about to, well, looked like it was about to get taken out. Now tomorrow we will be back on the small account. I may or may not look for a trade because it is going to be Friday, but the morning squawk this morning kind of said the market's going to get better. Yeah, there's a lot of big sellers. So we kind of got the sideways range going. The support of 150 and resistance around 165. So we dropped down to 155. A lot of big buyers there. So this is going to need some volume to push through. So right now we're a little light on volume. But we do have big buyers and big sellers in these areas, bouncing the stock back and forth. Other than that, though, I'm not seeing too much else going on. Yeah, not seeing too much else going on. Well, we'll see here. We might be cracking out here. Maybe. No. Yeah, it looks like this is going to keep going sideways. Probably go sideways till after 9 o'clock and then get another leg up. Let's see what we got going on here. It's starting to move a little bit here. And back down. Yeah. So yeah, it just looks like we're pretty much going sideways on this. Let's see, PT not quite there. AXDS is looking ugly, no volume. And then PX cracked back down. TCCO slowly climbing, not a lot of volume on it, but yeah, we're starting to, if this can continue to climb slowly up, might get a move quicker than expected. I think we could get up to 175 on this pretty easily if we got some volume in here. It almost did back here. But I've only got about 8 minutes left, so I better hurry up and do what it's going to do. Ooh, big sellers at 161. A lot of big sellers just came in there. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything else going on. The only thing we got going on is TCCO slowly climbing. Nice little U shape there. And then TNXP just going sideways. Let's see, what is this guy doing? Oh, that's the OTC. Why is the OTC stock in the top 10 NASDAQ gainers? Looks like they're still having issues with their scanners. Yeah, I think on TNXP, as long as it continues to go sideways, should be alright. Should eventually get a break. Should eventually get a break. TCCO right back down. Is anybody else watching anything else? I feel like I'm missing something or. Hmm. Maybe not. Just could be one of those Thursdays. See CEI starting to U shape a little. Be a pretty big U shape. Just look like on the 5-minute. Oh, it's kind of a bit of a flag on the 5-minute. A little bit. It's kind of an ugly flag, but let's see. Is it going to break out of the flag here on the 5-minute? Nope. Still sideways. See, Life is coming up to the VWAP. If Life breaks $4 and the VWAP, it could run to 432, but it may get held up there. That's if it gets enough volume to come in. Right now, it barely has any volume. But I could see this getting going. It's got a really low float and positive safety results. Alright, so yeah, I gotta head out for my appointment here in the next few minutes. So if you guys want me to leave the stream up so you guys can chat and whatnot, let me know here in the next couple of minutes. If not, I'm gonna shut it down when I leave. We'll see Life coming up to $4. I feel like this can get pumped. I'm gonna be crazy and just see if I can get. I got in at 402. Just to see if it might start ripping. Might get pumped here. A little bit of volume popping in. Moving up a little bit. About to break the VWAP. Let's see here if this is gonna get going. See if we get a nice quick pump and dump run on this. Pretty sure I'm out of TNXP. Let's see, did my stop loss get hit? Yep, stop loss got hit on TNXP. Couldn't hold up, so let's see. Let's see what Life does now. Yeah, TNXP ain't doing much, that's for sure. What'd you say? CEI going up again? Okay. Take a look at that in a second, but I feel like this is about to get pumped. Got a little bit of slow buying coming in. at the break of the VWAP here, but let's see what happens. Because this has a low enough float to where this could really start going if it gets buying volume in. See the bid slowly creeping up on this guy too. TNXP is a scam. There we go. Starting to move up here. Yeah, here we go. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, right back down. I was thinking about selling right there, and as soon as it... Let's see what's going to happen here. Because 430 is going to be some resistance. So if it busts through 430, though, this guy is off to the races. Let's see what happens here. I'm actually going to sell over half of it here. How many did I sell? Oh, I didn't sell any yet. Oh, shit. Good thing it's a paper account. See if I can sell 426. My order did not get filled trying to join the ass there. Yeah, there is no good news on TNXP. I did notice that myself. It's a little pumpy. I don't want this to crash out, but that 430 area would have been a perfect area to sell. This looks like it's about to... This might not... Ooh, nope. Nope. It's probably done here. So the quick pop was what I was looking for. A little run to 430. And it got it, but that's about all it got. 10XP super crash out. Woo. Ugly. Let's see what CEI is doing before I gotta go. So CEI is going to break 172, pretty much 175. Yeah, I'd say you're probably right about the scalps on CEI. A good entry have been down here at 154 after all this selling. 150 is always going to be some support, so that could have been a very easily good bounce play to get in there. But yeah, I am on the paper trade account in case anybody didn't know. So looks like CEI might try to get it, but I'm gonna have to go here in like one more minute. CEI might not get it on this round. Might have to wait a little bit longer. See life pop back up a little bit. Alright guys, well I gotta go. I'm just gonna go ahead and end the stream. Doesn't look like anybody really cares one way or another if I leave it up. So good luck to you guys. Hopefully you can nail it today. We'll be back tomorrow on the small account challenge. And it should be a decent Friday, I think. But we'll see. So, y'all have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you tomorrow.